Accidentally deleted a contact in Salesforce? Restore it in seconds without any hassle. Here is exactly how. I know that feeling. You're cleaning up your Salesforce instance, or maybe you just clicked a little too fast, and poof, a contact you actually needed is gone. Your stomach drops a little. You think, oh no, do I have to call support? Is that data just gone forever? The good news is, no, not at all. Salesforce actually keeps a safety net for exactly this situation. It is called the recycle bin, and it works a lot like the one on your computer. Deleted stuff goes there first before it is permanently erased. And today, I am going to show you how to use it to bring that contact back in about 30 seconds. We will use the recycle bin to find and restore your contact. Just follow these 3 simple steps. All right, so the first thing we need to do is get to that recycle bin. Now, in Salesforce, the location of the recycle bin can be a little tricky to spot if you have never looked for it before. It is not usually sitting on your main navigation bar by default. So here is what you do. Look up at the top of your screen, near the global search bar. You should see a small tab area. If you don't see it right away, click on the little drop-down arrow or the plus sign that says More, or sometimes it just shows a grid of dots. That is the app launcher area. What you are looking for is an item in that list that simply says Recycle Bin. It usually has a little trash can icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a second to load, especially if your organization has a lot of data, but once it opens, you will see a list. This is the holy grail for accidental deletions. Everything that you or people in your company have deleted recently lives right here. Now, this is the step where you actually find your contact. This list can be long. It might show deleted accounts, deleted leads, deleted opportunities, all mixed together, so don't get overwhelmed. The recycle bin shows you the name of the item, the type of item it was, who deleted it, and when it was deleted. This is where that information becomes your best friend. You are looking for a row that says Contact in the type column. Scroll through the list until you find the contact you need. Once you find them, look all the way to the right side of that row. You will see a small drop-down arrow, usually a little down-facing triangle or a gear icon. Click on that. A small menu will pop up. It gives you a couple of options. One of them might say Undelete or Restore. But here is the thing. In the newer Salesforce Lightning interface, the option is often worded differently. So now that you have that drop-down menu open, look for the option that says Restore. That is your golden ticket. Go ahead and click on it. And that is it. Seriously. The screen might flash or refresh for just a moment, and you will get a small green confirmation message at the top of your screen saying something like, "Your contact has been restored." The contact is immediately put back exactly where it was before you deleted it. All its related data, its notes, its activity history, it all comes back with it. I have tested this myself more times than I care to admit, and it works like a charm every single time. Just remember, the recycle bin is not unlimited. Items in there usually expire after 15 days or after reaching a storage limit, depending on your Salesforce edition. So if you realize you deleted something important, do not wait. Get in there and restore it as soon as you can. So, to recap, you open the recycle bin from the app launcher, you find your contact in the list, you click the drop-down menu and hit Restore. That is it. No panicking, no support tickets, no data loss. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hopefully this saves you a little bit of a headache the next time your mouse finger gets a little click happy. Happy restoring!